Are you looking to become a Power BI expert? Before we dive deep into the world of Power BI mastery, let me ask you one more question here. How confident are you on a scale of 1 to 10 in your data analytical skills? Well, it's difficult to answer, right? No worries. Here in this video, I will walk you through a step-by-step guide how to become a master into Power BI. Becoming Power BI expert involves a combination of steps like learning, practice, and real-world application. In 2024, we are diving into the world of Power BI and breaking down some essential technical skills in simple language. Whether you are new to Power BI or looking to level up your skills, you are in the right place. Let's get started. The first skill is Power BI Desktop. This is where all magic happens. It's like a control center for your data analysis journey. Before diving into analysis, your data needs to be prepped. You have to learn how to clean, shape, and transform data to fit perfectly for analysis in Power BI. Data modeling sounds complex, but I have got you covered. It's about relationships between tables, DAX formulas for calculations, and optimizing for top performance. Another handy tool is the Power Query Editor. It's your go-to for data transformation. This tool helps you transform and manipulate your data like a pro. Last but not least, we have a DAX formulas. These are the secret sauce behind your calculation in Power BI. DAX will help you to create calculated columns, measures, and even complex calculations. Now let's talk about what to learn in Power BI Desktop. You have to learn data importation, transformation, modeling, and visualization. Now into data preparation. How to clean the data, shaping data, and transform data. Again, in data modeling, you have to learn creating relationship between the tables, defining calculations with DAX. In Power Query Editor, you have to learn how to transform data, then how to manipulate the data. Next is DAX formulas. Here you have to learn how to calculate columns, measures, and complex calculations. Now, here I would like to mention some non-technical skills like analytical skills, in which you have to learn or develop strong analytical skills to derive insights from data and uncover patterns, trends, and relationships. Next one is problem solving. Practice problem solving techniques to address business challenges and answer specific questions using data analysis in Power BI. Next one is statistical knowledge. Familiarize yourself with the basic statistical concepts and methods to perform statistical analysis within Power BI. Next one is data visualization. Learn principle of effective data visualization and design appealing and informative dashboards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more tips and tutorials on mastering Power BI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.